Friend, now let us see the problem number 62. What the problem is saying, which of the following is antidote for the lead poisoning? Student, antidote, you know what is meaning of the antidote. Firstly, you know antidote. So what that antidote, that is stop the, that is stop the poison. That is stop the poison. So so anything is there, which can stop the poison of the metal or any other things, that is known as what, that is antidote. Okay, so there student, that is lead is there, Pb, it is, that is poisonous. Okay, wherever it will be, it will be poisonous for humans and animals. Okay, humans and animals, or you can say that is also no animals also you can say, and plants also. So this is the poisonous. So student, what we have to do to overcome from this problem? Okay, so that is, if the lead is there in the form of 2 plus, so we have to remove, so how can we do, student, how can we do to its poisoning can be stopped. Its poisoning can be stopped by, is stopped by formation of complex compound, by formation of complex compound. So okay, so when you are forming the complex compound, then only that is the its poisoning can be stopped. So let us see, student, what the option they have given. Firstly, COCl3. Student, when you are talking about COCl3, this itself is what, student, this itself is the complex. This itself, when you are COCl3, it itself is the compound. Okay, when you are talking, that is the this one COCl3. So it cannot be our answer, student, it cannot be our answer. So when you see, student, that is what are their option. So COCl3, this is the complex, already complex. So these are not, can't combine to Pb2 plus, can't combine to what, student, Pb2 plus. So this cannot be our answer. If it's cisplatin, student, cisplatin, if you talk about cisplatin, so cisplatin can combine, student, because no, cannot combine also, because here is NH3 will be there, here is also NH3, and here is Cl. So that is platinum is already that is all is compound. So this cannot be our answer. So what can be our answer, student? EDTA can be our answer, student. EDTA is our required answer. How can be our EDTA is our answer, student? Let us check with the options. Okay, how can we be able to understand this EDTA? That EDTA is our required answer. So EDTA is the hexadentate ligand, student. Hexadentate. Its denticity is 6. So EDTA can, what it can do, student, EDTA, student, here you see, that is when you are going to draw the diagram. Okay, we need the space. Okay, now you see, student, EDTA. So Pb is the Pb2 plus, and its coordination number is 6. Coordination number is 6, means 6 ligand it can take. So when you are talking about EDTA, student, when you are talking about the EDTA, so what is formula of EDTA, student? EDTA, ethylene diamine tetra acetate. So how much with how the formula? N here is, that is CH2, and this CH2, and here is N. So ethylene diamine, and here is what is the, student? CH2COO minus, and here is CH2COO minus. The same way, here is CH2COO minus, and here is CH2COO minus. So what will happen, student? Here is lone pair electron, here is also lone pair electron. So Pb2 plus ion, okay, that can be combined by this nitrogen along with whatever the this oxygen and this one. Similarly, from this side also it is being combined. So when it is combining completely, Pb2 plus is completely bind. Pb2 plus is completely bind by bind by what, student? Ligands, bind by the ligands. So it's not free. So it's not free. So it's not free, student. So does not act as a poison. So student, when the poisons, so when no lead ion is there, means it cannot act as a poison. Another option is also there, student, DMG. DMG is the, it is the, what is the, the dimethyl glyoxylate. So dimethyl glyoxylate is bidentate ligand, student, but it is coordination number, lead is coordination number 6. 6 ligand is required. 6 denticity should be 6. So this DMG is also not our answer. Required answer is EDTA. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Achha, one more problem you see, student. What are the one more problem is there? We can go. Here is the, let me check the another problem. If we can go far. Here is ammonia or ammonium ions are detected by. So Bohr's reagent, no, student. Tollens reagent, no. Fehling reagent, no. So always is ammonia is always detected by the Nessler reagent. You keep in mind, student. The Nessler reagent is the reagent which is used to detect the ammonia. So this is all about this answer, student. Thank you so much for watching.